Good morning, students. Now let us continue the chapter circle. Last class we were discussing the questions in exercise 10.2. That class we have done question 11. Today we will start question 12. I am reading the question. The triangle ABC is shown to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the line segment BD and DC into which BC divided by the point of contact D are of length 8 cm and 6 cm respectively as in the figure 10.14. Find the sides AB and AC. You are given a triangle is circumscribed by a circle. ट्रायंगल के अंदर सर्कल इंस्क्राइब हुआ है, अदरवाइज सर्कल के ऊपर ट्रायंगल सर्कमस्क्राइब हुआ है. यू आर गिवन दैट द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज 4 cm and the sides circle of radius 4 cm such that BD OD is the radius such that BD is divided into two parts such that BD equal to 6 cm and DB is equal to this one is B. This one is C and this one is B. So the radius is drawn in such a way that the side BC is divided by the point D such that CD equal to 6 cm and BD equal to 8 cm. You are asked to find the sides of the triangle, that is AC and BC. For that, first of all, you have to draw the construction. From O, draw OD perpendicular to BC, that is given. Similarly, from O, draw OE perpendicular to AB, and from O, draw OF perpendicular to AC. Draw, no need of given to prove it is, you are asked to find the length. Draw OE perpendicular to AB and OF perpendicular to AC. Also join OA, OB, OC. इतना आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है. नाउ फ्रॉम C, CD is equal to CF is equal to 6 cm. क्यों? C एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट है. एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से दो टेंजेंट बन रहा है सर्कल पर के ऊपर, एक D पर एक F पर. दैट इज CD इक्वल टू CF is equal to F cm. Tangents from the external points, the point C, PT means point C, is equal to 6 cm. Similarly, BD is equal to BE equal to 8 cm. And from A, this is from B. This is from A, AF is equal to AE. Let AF equal to AE equal to X say means we are assuming. That means C से दो tangent है CD, CF that is 6 cm. B से two tangents BD equal to BE equal to 8 cm. A से two tangent बन रहा है AF equal to AE. We are assuming that AF equal to AE equal to X. Now AC is equal to X plus 6. BC is equal to X plus 8 and AC is equal to X plus 6. AB is equal to X plus 8. And last one is BC is equal to 6 plus 8, that is 14 cm. Now how we can find the value of X? अगर आपको X का वैल्यू मिल गया, साइड्स AC और AB आराम से मिल जाएगा. For that, what you will do? First of all, we will find the area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula, and that is first equation. Again, we will find area of triangle ABC by splitting the triangle into three parts: BOC, AOB, AOC. पहले हम ABC का एरिया हेरन्स फॉर्मूला से निकालेंगे. इसके बाद एरिया ऑफ ABC इक्वल टू BOC प्लस AOB प्लस AOC करेंगे, उसमें हाफ BH का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. नाउ S हेरन्स फॉर्मूला, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज अंडर रूट S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, that is X plus 6 plus X plus 8 plus 14 upon 2, that is 2x plus 28 upon 2, that is x plus 14. This is S. Now we have to find the area of the triangle ABC using Heron's formula. Question is a bit big, so that I have to rub the board frequently. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now S is x plus 14. X plus 14 into x plus 14 minus 14. पहले मैं BC को ले रही हूँ. Next, x plus 14 minus x minus 8. Second side is x plus 8 minus के साथ multiply करेंगे, minus x minus 8. Again under root is coming, I am writing root here, into x plus 14 minus x minus 6. Here it is 6. X minus 6. If you solve it, you will get under root of x into x plus 14 into, this is getting cancelled, 6 into 8. That is under root 48 into 48 x into x plus 14. 48 x plus 14. 48 x into x plus 14. But you know that 48 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? root 16 into 3. 16 into 3 को 16 बाहर लाएंगे, 4 under root 3 into x into x plus 14. That is the area of a triangle ABC that we found out using the formula, using Heron's formula. Next is area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle के लिए लिखे नहीं लिखे कोई बात नहीं, ABC means triangle. Area of BOC plus area of AOB plus area AOC. That is half BH, half into 14 into H is the radius. That is 14 into 4. Here इधर आ क्या आएगा? x plus 6 side आएगी. Again radius 4 ही आ रहा है हर जगह पर, because a circle has only one radius. That is half into 4 into x plus 8 plus half into 4 into x plus 6. Now when you solve it, इसको solve करेंगे, मैं equation first को मिटा नहीं दूँ because we have to compare both the equation. So that let it be as it is. This is as it is. That is half into 4 into this one. Now from this you can take half into 4 common. Half into 4 को common लेंगे तो ये आएगा 14 plus x plus 8 plus x plus 6. See half 4 सब में से common ले लिया, 2 into 2x plus 28. Again you can take 2 common for convenience, क्योंकि इसके अंदर क्या है, x plus 14 आ रहा है तो इसमें से आप 2 common लेंगे. Again x plus 14 आएगा तो आपको cancellation इसी पड़ेगा. 2 coming out becomes 2 into 4, 4 into x plus 14, equation 2. Now see, both equations are showing same, that is the area of the triangle ABC. So that by comparing 1 and 2, we get, by comparing 1 and 2, otherwise 1 and 2 gives 4 under root 3x into x plus 14 is equal to 4 into x plus 14. देखिए, now how we can, this can be cancelled. This can be written as root 3x into root x plus 14. And x को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? root x का whole square. तो x plus 14 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? root x plus 14 whole square. क्यों लिख रहा है? 1x plus 14 और root x plus 14 get cancelled. That implies root 3x is equal to root x plus 14. By squaring this, how we can square this? If you square, under root sign will get cancelled. That means 3x is equal to x plus 14 implies 2x equal to 14 implies x equal to 14 upon 2, that is 7 centimeter. That means we got the value of x equal to 7 centimeter. And what you have to do? You have to find the value of AC and AB. Therefore, side AC is equal to x plus AC, x plus 6, that is 7 plus 6 is equal to 13 centimeter. And side, what side is remaining? AB. AB is equal to x plus 8, that is equal to 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 centimeter. So this is the question. इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले क्या किया? सबसे पहले लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट इक्वल कर दिया 6, 6, 8, 8 और x x अज्यूम किया और हेरन्स फॉर्मूला से ट्रायंगल एबीसी का एरिया फाइंड आउट किया. फिर ट्रायंगल एबीसी का एरिया बीओसी प्लस एओबी प्लस एओबीसी के साथ किया. दोनों को इक्वेट किया. दोनों को इक्वेट करते वक्त दिस स्टेप इज इंपॉर्टेंट. रूट 3x इंटू रूट x प्लस 14, x प्लस 14 को रूट x प्लस 14 होल स्क्वायर करके कैंसिल करके स्क्वायर करके x निकाला एंड after that we found value of AC and AB. Next question is last question of exercise 10.2, that is question number 13. I am reading the question. Question is, prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. You are asked to find the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. सर्कल को circumscribe कर रहा है तो उसके opposite sides सेंटर में supplementary angle subtend करेंगे. That means you have to show that the sum of angles of the opposite sides subtending at the center is what? You have to prove that is 180 degree. That means let me draw it in a proper way. इसको थोड़ा proper way में draw कर लेते हैं. Let now this is the circle and this is the quadrilateral. Let the naming of quadrilateral be A, B, C, D. This is you are given. You are given this center be O. Given is, since it is the question, prove that given in circle COR means circle with center OR. ABCD is the quadrilateral. ABCD is the quadrilateral circumscribing the circle. To prove क्या करना है आपको? AOB प्लस BOD ऐसा. तो उसको आप इसमें आपको एक ध्यान रखना है, स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं आना चाहिए. स्ट्रेट लाइन आएंगे तो वो लीनियर पैर लग जाएगा या स्ट्रेट एंगल लग जाएगा. तो स्ट्रेट लाइन जैसे नहीं बनाना, थोड़ा टेढ़ा बनाना है. इसको ध्यान से करना, नहीं तो क्वेश्चन मीनिंगलेस हो जाएगा. दिस इज O. देखिए दिस इज नॉट स्ट्रेट लाइन, दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट स्ट्रेट लाइन. You have to prove that angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree, as well as these are one pair of opposite sides and another pair is AD and BC. Angle AOD plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Now construction क्या करेंगे? From O draw OD, इसको points लेते हैं DE, otherwise what you can say, let it be PQRS for comfortability. PQRS area. From O draw OP perpendicular to AB, OQ perpendicular to BC, OR perpendicular to CD and OS perpendicular to AB. From P construction, from P draw OP perpendicular to AB. From O draw OP perpendicular to AB, OQ perpendicular to BC, OR perpendicular to CD and OS perpendicular to AD. Now proof. Before that, it is better to name the angles. का naming कर देते. Let it be 1, let it be 2, let it be 3, and this angle is 4, this angle is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, so that you can easily identify. तो proof में क्या assume कर आपने? Angle AOS is equal to angle 1, angle AOP is equal to angle 2, angle BOP is equal to angle 3, angle QOB angle 4, next angle QOC is equal to QOC angle 5. ये हमने assume किया तो आपको let लिखना है. Let angle QOC हो गया. next angle COR is equal to angle 6, angle DOR is equal to angle 7 and angle DOS is equal to angle 8. ये हमने assume किया. Now proof. First of all, we will prove these two triangles are congruent. Now in triangles AOS and AOP, जैसे in the last class we have proved OS equal to OP. Why OS equal to OP? Radius of the same circle. Next, AS equal to AP. Let me rub it. Next is AS equal to AP. AS equal to AP by tangent from the external point A. Tangent from the point A. PT means point A. And OA equal to OA, that is common. Implies triangle AOS is congruent to triangle AOP by SSS congruence condition. that implies angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CPCT. This is one proof. इसको एक और तरीके से प्रूफ कर सकते हैं. The two tangents are inclined, equally inclined to the line segment joining center and the point and center. जो भी tangents आप proof two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Two tangents drawn from external point, that means external point is A. Two tangents are AS and AP. The two tangents drawn from external point to a circle subtend equal angle at the center. ये सेंटर में इक्वल एंगल बनाता है. वन टेंजेंट इज एएस, वन टेंजेंट इज एपी. एएस सेंटर में वन एंगल 1 बना रहे हैं, एपी सेंटर में एंगल 2 बना रहे हैं. वो भी लिख सकते हैं, या यू कैन डू बाय व्हाट आई कैन से बाय कॉन्ग्रुएंस. नाउ सिमिलरली, by proving triangle, these two tangents are congruent, or using the property, the two tangents drawn from an external point of a circle subtend equal angles at the center, you will get angle 3 equal to angle 4. That is equation number 2. Again, by taking these two, you will get angle 5 equal to angle 6. That is equation number 3. Now, what is the last one? Last one is angle 5 equal to angle 6, angle 7 is equal to angle 8. That is equation number 4. Now, but if you add all these angles, you will get 360. Why? Because complete angle. That means, but angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 360 degree by complete angle. By complete angle. Now, we are going to prove first of all AOB equals COD, so that you have to change 1 in terms of 2 and 4 in terms of 3 and 8 in terms of 7 and 5 in terms of 6. तो 1 को किस में लिखेंगे? 2 में. Angle implies angle 2 plus angle 2. Angle 3 will remain as 6. 4 को 3 में लिखेंगे. Angle 3 plus angle 3 and 5 को 6 में लिखना है. Angle 6 plus angle 6 and 8 becomes 7. That is angle 7 plus angle 7 is equal to 360 degree. That is twice angle 2 plus angle 3. मैं angle 2 और angle 3 को साथ में ले रही हूँ because it gives AOB. Angle 7 plus angle 6 will give COD. Plus twice angle 6 plus 7. हाँ पता right? Angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 360 degree. You can take 2 common, then you will get. If you take 2 common, you will get angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 360 by 2. That is 180 degree. What is the name of angle 2 plus angle 3? Angle 2 plus angle 3 is angle AOB. Plus angle 3 plus 7 plus angle 6 is angle COD is equal to 180 degree. That is the opposite sides AB and CD subtend are supplementary angles at the center. Next के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? Next में let it be question number 5 लिया. 5 में हम क्या करेंगे? 5 gives you want this one. तो 2 को 1 में चेंज करेंगे. Angle 1 plus angle 1. 3 को 4 में चेंज करेंगे. Angle 4 plus angle 4. 1 minute. 1 plus 8 चाहिए, तो 2 को 1 में चेंज किया. 1 plus 1 हो गया. 3 को 4 में चेंज कर लिया. No, we don't want 3, we want 4 plus 5. Let me check once more. 1 plus 8 चाहिए. 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 चाहिए. 1 को हम लिखेंगे, this is 1 equal to 2 and 7 is equal to 8. So that 1 equal to 2 equal to 1. 2 equal to 1 लिख दिया. And again 3 equal to 4 कर दिया. This is 2 is equal to 1, that is 1 plus 1. 3 equal to 4, 4 plus 4 हो गया. Next 6 will be remain 6 और 5 हो गया. That is angle 6 plus angle 6 plus 7 को 8 करेंगे. Angle 8 plus angle 8 equal to 360 डिग्री. देखिए 2 को 1 में कर दिया, हो गया. 3 को 4 में कर दिया, 4 plus 4 हो गया. 5 को 6 में कर दिया, 6 plus 6 हो गया. और 7 को 8 में कर दिया. That means twice of angle 1 plus angle 4. 1 minute. Twice of angle 1 plus angle 8 चाहिए हमको, ये दोनों चाहिए. तो 8 को साथ में लेते हैं. प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल 4 प्लस 5 चाहिए, सॉरी इसको हम 6 को 5 में चेंज करेंगे तो ये 5 प्लस 5 हो जाएगा, सॉरी वंस मोर 1 को 2 को 1 में बदल लिया, 3 को 4 में बदल दिया, 6 को 5 में बदल दिया एंड 7 को 8 में बदल दिया। इस 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 4 प्लस 4 प्लस 5 प्लस 5 प्लस 8 प्लस 8, ट्वाइस 1 प्लस 8 कॉमन ले लिया, ट्वाइस 4 प्लस 5 कॉमन ले लिया, इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री। दैट इम्प्लाइज 360 degree. That implies angle 1 plus angle 8 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 360 by 2, 180. Angle 1 plus angle 8 is angle AOD plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. That means the sides AD and BC are also supplementary angles at the center. Second part, it is need not be do by yourself, it is need not be done, but if the question is coming for 4 marks you have to do. अगर ये 4 marks में आता है आपको ये AB और CD के बाद AD और BC भी दिखाना है, अगर 3 marks में आता है तो सिमिलरली ये स्टेप लिख करके छोड़ना है। This much is the question related to NCERT questions. Now one question we have to do from the solved example, that is very important. I am reading the question. Example 2, page number 202. This question 212. This question had come a number of times in board examination. I am reading the question. Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from the external point T. Prove that angle PTQ equal to twice angle OPQ. You are given a circle and two tangents are drawn from this point. थोड़ा इक्वल जैसे दिखाना है. Two tangents are drawn from the point T as P and Q. Two tangents are drawn. This is joint and this is the center. This one is the center of the circle. Now you have to prove that angle PTQ is equal to twice angle OPQ. So given, what is given? Given in circle COR, TP and TQ are two tangents. इसको आगे बढ़ाए नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं. To prove angle PTQ is equal to twice angle OPQ. That you have to prove. Proof. Let angle PTQ equal to theta. Comfortable के लिए इसको theta लेते हैं. In triangle TP equal to TQ. Why? Tangent drawn from the external point, from the point T. In triangle TPQ, TP is equal to TQ implies angle TPQ is equal to angle TQP by isosceles triangle property. Triangle TPQ में TP equal to TQ है, so that base angles are equal. Now in triangle TPQ by angle sum property by ASP, angle PTQ plus angle TPQ plus angle TQP is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. For convenience you can take this angle as XX. इसको XX भी ले सकते हैं, तो आप उसमें लिख लेंगे let angle TPQ is equal to angle TQP equal to X. For comfortability implies theta plus X is equal to 180 degree. तो एंगल का नेम करेंगे, कभी आपको गलत नहीं होएगा. अगर TQP आपने सोचा TPQ लिख दिया, सब गलत हो जाएगा. That implies 2x is equal to 180 minus theta implies x is equal to 90 minus theta by 2. Case number 1. That is the relationship between these two angles. Now what is the angle TPO? ये एंगल कितना होता है? 90 degree. Why? Radius is perpendicular to tangent. But angle TPO is equal to 90 degree. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. That you can do by yourself. That implies x plus, this angle means दोनों का sum, x plus what is the remaining angle? Angle OPQ. OPQ चाहिए था आपको? हाँ. X plus angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree. Now you can replace the value of X from equation 1. What you will get? 90 minus theta by 2 plus angle OPQ is equal to 90. Both 90s are getting cancelled. What do you get? If you take theta by 2, the right side you will get angle OPQ is equal to theta by 2, implies twice angle OPQ is equal to theta. What is theta? We assume theta क्या assume कर रखा है? Angle TPQ और angle PTQ हमने assume कर रखा है, implies angle twice angle OPQ is equal to angle PTQ. This is the proof. Once more I am saying, सबसे पहले ये एंगल को थीटा assume किया and TP equal to TQ because tangent drawn from point T, and in this triangle TP equal to TQ means base angles are equal. Base angles assumed XX in triangle TPQ by applying angle sum property, theta plus x equal to 180, theta plus 2x equal to 180. From this we get x equal to 90 minus theta by 2, that is first equation. Now but angle TP equal to 90 degree, that is x plus angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree. From the equation 1, the value of x is 90 minus theta by 2. Replacing x by 90 minus theta by 2, you will get 90 minus theta by 2 plus OPQ equal to 90 degree. By cancelling 90, you will get angle OP equal to theta by 2. That is twice angle OP equal to theta. Theta is assumed as angle PTQ. And one more example is there. This is example 2. Example 3 you can do by yourself. If you have queries, you can ask me. Now let us start question from Adi Sharma. Let me take page number, what I can say, example 5, page number 8.10. 8.10. Let me take the page. First of all, page 8.10, example 5. Page number 8.10, example 5. I am reading the question. In the figure 8.16, 18, XP and XQ are given. Two tangents from X to the circle with center O. R is a point on the circle. Prove that XA plus AR is equal to XB plus BR. That means, first of all, let me draw the figure. You are given a circle and two tangents are given from the point X. This is naming as P and Q. And R is a point on the circle, and through R if you draw tangent, it intersect XP at A and XQ at B respectively. Now you are asked to prove XA plus AR is equal to XB plus BR. Now what you can prove? Prove that is given. What is given? In circle COR, XP and XQ are two tangents drawn from A, from X. To prove XA plus AR is equal to XB plus BR. Now construction there रखा है, then also you have to write it. Through R, draw a tangent to the circle intersecting XP at A, and XQ at B. Now proof. How we can prove? From X there are two tangents XP and XQ. So from X क्या होगा? From X XP equal to XQ. Reason that tangents drawn from the point X to the circle. XP को क्या लिख सकते हैं? XP can be written as XA plus AP, and XQ equal to XQ can be written as XB plus BQ. It is equation number 1. But you know that from B point से देखिए there are two tangents BQ equal to BR. That is equation number 2. So again length of tangent drawn from external point to circle. Similarly from A AP is equal to AR. Equation number 3. Now substituting 2 and 3 in 1. Now putting 2 and 3 in 1. By putting equation 2 and 3 in 1, we get AP को क्या रिप्लेस करेंगे AR, XA plus AR. That you are asked to prove, I think, XA plus AR. AP को AR से रिप्लेस कर दिया, BP को BR से रिप्लेस करेंगे. एक XA plus AR is equal to XB plus BQ is BR. Hence the proof. Now today we have done a lot of questions based on tangent of the circle. I hope that you understood today's class. Do these questions 2 to 3 times. See you again in the next class. Thank you.